Here we have a 2006 on an 06 Scania K114EB Berkhof Axial 50 53 seat executive coach. We have a choice of two identical vehicles, the only difference being one is in full York Pullman livery, the other one is in that livery, basically white with vinyl. So operated by York Pullman, as you'd expect, no bodywork issues at all that I can see. Centre continental door is fitted. At the business end, it's a Euro 3 380 horsepower Scania engine driven through Scania's 3-pedal OptiCruise gearbox. Reverse cameras fitted. Again, bodywork bang on down the near side. Massive luggage space. As you can see, no issues there at all with getting what you're needing. And as we jump on board, 53 Vogel reclining seats, finished in this blue maquette. This kind of became Berkhof's standard maquette for a number of years, but very, very hard wearing. I mean, this thing's 14 years old, but even on the piping, it isn't that bad, you know. So lot of life left in these seats, lot of life. Seat back tables are fitted. We have a centre sunken toilet unit with hot drinks facility, wired for DVD with 2 monitors. Sutrac air conditioning is fitted on this vehicle. But again, you know, it's coming from a very, very good home, and the presentation tells you that. You know, it's very, very clean and tidy. Everything's where it should be. The seat's in good condition. We have standard mid-noughties wood trim to the dash. No issues with the dash, nothing missing, nothing broken, nothing chipped, nothing cracked. OptiCruise gear selector on the side of the seat. That's the fridge. There's a fridge in the dashboard. Crew seat. As I said, we have a pair of these identical other than the paintwork. So to recap, this is one of a pair of Scania K114EB Berkhof Axial 50 53 seat executive coaches.